There's a OSHA rule that will allow some people to apply for U and T visas as victims of crimes that otherwise would not have been allowed to. The U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration will issue visa law enforcement certifications to workers who have had their wages stolen, safety laws violated, or suffered other workplace abuses, regardless of their immigration status. Undocumented workers across the United States who have been afraid to speak up about labor rights violations due to their immigration status and have leverage to take action against their bosses and obtain a U or T visa. And once they have a U or T visa, workers can be employed legally, assist their family members in obtaining immigration status, apply for public benefits, and have a pathway to permanent resident status. Before the announcement, only police, district attorneys, prosecutors, judges involved in a criminal investigation could issue these visa certifications. And what happened is, if you were the victim of a crime, you needed the district attorney, the prosecutor, the judge to say you have assisted in the investigation of this crime. And it was a serious crime. And if you got a law enforcement to give you that certification, that is when you were able to apply for the U or T visa, which gets you work permit, gets you government benefits. Ultimately, once it's approved, you can get a green card 3 years later without being sponsored by anybody. So why this is good, this OSHA thing is good, is now it allows people who were basically not paid what they were supposed to be paid, people who were not paid at all, people who are working in unsafe working conditions, to go to OSHA, which is a federal government agency, let them investigate this, and let them issue the law enforcement certificate that will allow them to then apply for the U and T visa.